Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can brighten face in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and don't know how to brighten face in Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo. For now, I'll choose this photo. Here, click on Tools option at the bottom menu and go to Tune Image. Now simply increase the brightness of the photo by simply swiping to the right. Once you brighten the image, simply click here to save changes. Now, since we only wanted to brighten face, what we can do is click here and go to View Edits. Now from here, click on Tune Image and you can see different options. Click here to edit the brightness. Now keep in mind the value of tune image is 100, so simply brush over the face to reveal the brightened part. And once you're happy with your selection, click here to see the changes. Now as you can see, we have brightened the face. And just like that, we have brightened face in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.